Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use the image trace tool, and it's really nice because it allows you to make some complex shapes using, you could use a photograph as a reference, any sort of image, and I think it's really nice because this landscape could really benefit from maybe a palm tree or something on here, right? I've only spent like maybe total 1 minute on this. It's not looking so good. It needs some more details. It needs some modifications, but you might be feeling lazy, like I don't want to put a palm tree, that's too much work. But I'm going to show you with image trace it's not. So when you're working with image trace, you want to look for kind of a stock style photo, so something with a white background. So I'm going to look up a palm tree, maybe just stock photo, because I want to have a white background. That'll just make it easier, or some sort of light background like this. I think this will work. This one will work as well. I think I'm going to try this one. So I'm going to take this image, and there's a big difference between the background and the object. So let's see if this will work. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it in. And then I'm going to open Window, Image Trace. So I'm going to go to the one that says Window and then Image Trace. And it's going to open up this menu. Let me close this other box. So it's going to open up this menu here. And I don't know why this is not the default. It makes no sense. Obviously, I want to preview this, right? So hit the little button that says preview. And it's pretty, oh, already, whoa. This is looking pretty cool. I'm using the mode black and white right here. So I'm using the mode black and white. And this is looking pretty good, but I do want to get rid of this white portion. So this threshold, you can drag this slider around and it will kind of change what it is picking up. So just drag it until your image looks good. And again, not every image is going to work well. So something that would work well, this one's not going to work well. There's way too much other stuff here, but this one, minus the watermark there, but like this one would work. This one won't, it has too many watermarks. This one would work, right? So when you're looking for a photo, if you can try and get something with like a pretty clear background, this one would work as well. Right? Something without a lot in the background. All right, so you're going to do your threshold slider, and then there's a little button that says advanced. So everybody look up here. You're going to click this advanced drop down. Make sure you look up here so you see it. It's a little tiny place to click. So you have to click this little arrow by advanced, and then that's going to open up another set of options. Here I can play with the noise slider. I can play with the number of paths. But the most important thing is I need to click this little button that says ignore white. Ignore white. So down here it says ignore white. I'm going to click that and watch. Ooh, magic. The background just dropped out. And now this is looking like something I can work with. So I like to always drag my stuff over. Remember I said I use the sides of my artboard a lot. So I'm liking this. I'm happy with it. I feel like this looks good. I can use this in my project. By the way, it's going to be black. You can change the color afterwards. So I am going to change it to make sure it matches my color scheme. So I'm going to say Object, Expand. So once you're happy with it, you need to say Object, Expand. And when I say OK, now I have a vector image of this palm tree. So I took my photo. Which photo did I use? Let me see if I can find that one again. I think it was this one here. So I took this photo, and I use the image trace, right, to create this vector image here, which is pretty nice because now I can use this in my project very easily, and I don't have to go through here and like trace every single shape. So again, that is Window, and I go to Image Trace. Make sure you click Preview. So click Preview. Make sure you're on the black and white mode. Click the advanced button, or the advanced little arrow so you can open the rest of the menu. If you want to change any of the sliders, you can play with those. But the most important is you click ignore white and then Object Expand. Okay, now this is a vector that I can work with. Let's say I'm loving this palm tree, but I actually don't want the bottom here. I can use it like any other shape. So I'm going to use my shape builder. I'm going to make a throwaway shape, so I'll make it in red. So this is a throwaway shape. I don't want the bottom of that palm tree. And now I'm going to use my shape builder with it. Shift M, shape builder. Let me zoom in here. And bye. I'm gonna say bye to this. And that, oopsie, did I not do it? Let's try that again. Shift M. There we go. I think I forgot to hold Alt. All right, so now I have used it just like any other shape. I can go in here if I want to. I can, move some of these anchor points around. I can also change my color. So I'm gonna go ahead and select this, and maybe I'll get a navy blue that will go with my project, or maybe a dark green, or whatever it is that you want to use for your color scheme. I can also, let's see, I can alt drag it just like any other shape. I can right click, transform. I can reflect it. Okay, so now I've got another palm tree here. So you can see how it's really easy to add some of these details, right, that are a little bit more complex without a lot of work. I'm gonna go ahead and make maybe this a navy blue. I'm gonna go for a navy blue. I'm gonna group these together, group, and then I'm gonna place this over here. Let me close this menu. I don't need this image trace menu anymore, so I'm gonna go ahead and close that. Zoom out, maybe I'll shrink this down, etc. Okay, so really easy to add details like so. Okay, questions about image trace?